We're here live. Right now I'm in the middle of making some chicken marsala. And you can see I browned my chicken, did a little bit of this and that, and the sauce is nice with mushrooms. Let's get a little turn on that. Nice and thick sauce. Marsala wine, which you can see right here. Just use this brand. Said it had a nutty, raisiny taste. Oh yeah, can't beat that. Signing off. Chicken marsala, because as a boy it's always been one of my favorite dishes, and I will tell you one thing, it's unbelievable. Way better than the Colonel's. So, trying to figure out how to switch my camera back around, but I guess I'll do it this way. Just going to plate these up right now. Hopefully with my camera skills I can follow myself here. And as you can see, the pan sauce looks better than ever. And that's going to have to go. Let's make sure we get this. The mushrooms. Too bad I'm the only one to eat this. I'll be eating this for probably 3 or 4 days. But how can I beat it? Too bad you weren't here to have it with me.